Snoring. What the fuck is that about? That harsh nasal rattle, throat skin flapping? So what is snoring? It's basically when you go to sleep and your throat muscles relax and your tongue moves to the back and your airway narrows. It's crazy. And if it is super loud, you might have something called sleep apnea. But chances are you're more likely just overweight, eating garbage, drinking booze, or taking some form of medication. But if you are snoring regularly, one thing's for sure, you're not sleeping. And that's a problem. Take care of yourself. Sleeping's good for you. You're welcome.